Hi, my name is Chris Menge. I'm Deputy Fire Chief here at Albany International Airport. Today we're spending the day doing some training with our mutual aid departments, Shaker Road and Verdoy.
Track the victim to the ladder.
I think the general public's expectation is that whenever they call 911, they want a highly trained group of individuals to show up and help them. And we pride ourselves on preparing and training to be that group when we're called upon to show up. The first scenario we're working on is basic firefighting operations, where we're working on forcible entry to be able to access doors that may be locked or secured. The second scenario we're doing is working a 727 aircraft, where we're focusing on an aircraft has landed and has caught fire with some injured patients aboard, and our team has to remove those patients under those simulated conditions. And the third scenario we're doing over my shoulder here is a confined space rescue. We do a ton of confined space here at the airport. There's just so many dynamic events that can occur. Every scenario that we encounter is a little bit different. So being adaptive and being able to work with those partners gives us the opportunity to work things out ahead of time. So when these events actually occur real time in the real world, our team's prepared to handle those events as they come forth.